because you don't have a lot of time to cook, it doesn't mean that you can't have a healthy, tasty meal. Our 20-minute Chicken Creole recipe is just that. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. Today, I'm going to be serving it with brown rice. Now, brown rice does take about 45 minutes to cook, so if you're in a rush, you might want to choose some whole wheat pasta instead. And all I have to do is add a cup of dry brown rice and 2 cups of water in a saucepan. I'm going to be bringing it to a boil, covering it, and then letting it simmer for about 45 minutes. Now on to the Chicken Creole. Let's prepare our fresh veggies first. We're going to need 1 large green pepper, 2 stalks of celery, and an onion. So first off, we better wash our vegetables. Now that we have our vegetables washed, let's get them chopped up. I'm just going to turn my green pepper over, make a few slices down and pull it apart. For me, I find that this is easiest. And that way I get rid of the center all at once. Remove some of this pith. And I'm just gonna make some slices and get it all diced up. Next, I'm gonna dice up some celery. I'm just gonna cut it lengthwise and then dice it. I think it's better if you have your slices about the same size. And then we're going to cut up some onion. I'm gonna just cut it in half, make some slits. And try not to cry too much. Now you're going to want to heat your skillet to medium-high, or if you're using an electric skillet, to 350 degrees. You're going to add in about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then you're going to add in 4 chicken breasts. All right, hear that sizzle. So once you get those to sizzling, you can cover it so it doesn't splatter. And let that cook for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn these over and let the other side brown. All right, let's turn our heat down and add in the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add in 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of chili sauce, not hot sauce, our diced green pepper, our diced celery, our diced onion, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of mixed garlic or 2 cloves that's been minced, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and just 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to mix this around a little bit. We're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we'll be covering and letting it simmer for about 15 minutes. And our temperature is up to 165 degrees, which tells me that our chicken is safe to eat. Let's plate it up. Our rice is done. And I'm going to start out by putting some rice on our plate. And then I'm going to add a nice chicken breast and some vegetables over the rice. I wish you guys could smell how good this smells. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.